If you're stuck choosing between Zendrop and AliExpress for your dropshipping store, this decision will directly affect your shipping times, customer satisfaction, and most importantly, profit margins. In this video, I'll be breaking down the key differences between these two suppliers and show you which one actually gives you the best shot at building a profitable, sustainable business. AliExpress is known for offering the lowest product prices in the market, but those savings unfortunately often come at a cost. Longer shipping times, manual order fulfillment, and limited customer support. Every order has to be processed by hand, meaning you'll spend hours copying product info, managing inventory manually, and typing in customer details one by one. Zendrop solves that by automating this entire process. With Zendrop, every single order is automatically fulfilled, tracking included, and their products arrive in 5 to 12 days, not 20 to 30. That kind of time saving alone can reduce chargebacks and increase repeat purchases. Zendrop also gives you a major advantage with product sourcing. While AliExpress does offer millions of listings, you have pretty much no idea which ones are reliable, which suppliers will ship on time, or what kind of product quality you'll be getting from them. Zendrop actually vets its suppliers and builds direct relationships to ensure consistency. You can import products onto your Shopify store with one click of a button and get access to over 1 million items already in their catalog. There's even the possibility of pulling in listings from AliExpress using their import tool, while still benefiting from Zendrop's automation and of course faster shipping times. It's definitely a much better system for scaling without running into constant supplier issues. Another major advantage with Zendrop is customer satisfaction. When someone places an order on your website, they get a tracking number, fast delivery, and a responsive support system. Zendrop even handles returns and refunds automatically, which takes the stress off of you and builds trust with your customers. With AliExpress, on the other hand, there's no built-in tracking system for refunds unless you manage that step yourself. This kind of lack of transparency often leads to things like confusion, delays in shipping, and of course, negative reviews. If you care about brand reputation and want to keep customers coming back to your storefront, I think Zendrop really wins out here. Zendrop also saves you time when your store starts to grow. If you wake up to hundreds or even thousands of orders, Zendrop will process them, every single one of them, with no extra clicks or no extra manual input. Unfortunately, with AliExpress, every single order requires you to enter payment and shipping info manually, which isn't really sustainable or scalable, especially if you're a beginner. Zendrop has a bulk order processing feature and automated fulfillment, meaning that you can focus more on the growth and marketing of your storefront instead of order management. That's a pretty critical difference there, especially if you plan to scale your store beyond just a few daily sales. While Zendrop does charge for its premium features, that cost is easily offset by the time and stress that it saves. For only $49 a month, you get automated fulfillment, access to US suppliers, custom branding options, and 24/7 customer support. You also unlock the ability to import from AliExpress while still using Zendrop's faster shipping and their automation tools. If you're just testing products, you can always start with the free plan to explore the platform without any risk involved. While AliExpress may look cheaper on paper, the cost of delays, refunds, and a lost trust with your customers can add up very quickly, especially when you're trying to build a real brand on a solid foundation. One of the other big considerations between these two platforms is going to be the user experience. When we look at Zendrop, it has a very clean dashboard, everything's in one place, and you can manage products, orders, and profit margins without switching between tools. You can browse trending products, see shipping costs up front, and even add them to your Shopify store with one click of a button. When we look at AliExpress, by contrast, it's not really designed for dropshippers. You'll basically be bouncing between browser tabs, copying images, pasting product descriptions, and of course, manually fulfilling each order that you receive. That might not really be a manageable system, especially as your store becomes larger. One of the other cool things about Zendrop is that they also help you build a real brand, not just a one-time storefront. With features like custom packaging, branded invoices, and even US-based products, you'll be able to offer a professional experience that customers trust. This makes it easier to charge more, reduce refund rates, and create a storefront that people actually want to buy from again. AliExpress gives you pretty much, unfortunately, none of that. It's very generic, generic, unbranded, and often inconsistent. If you want to be seen as a real business and not just another faceless seller, Zendrop gives you the tools to make that happen. One of the other overlooked benefits of Zendrop that AliExpress pretty much just doesn't have is going to be their profit calculator and, more importantly, their product data tools. With these tools, you can instantly see estimated profit margins, shipping times, and even the cost before importing anything into your storefront. This allows you to test and validate products faster without relying on any of the guesswork. With AliExpress, you're basically left to calculate margins manually, and you won't know actual shipping speed until orders start rolling in for you. For complete beginners trying to make smart product decisions quickly, Zendrop just has those built-in tools that make it so much easier to do so. So at the end of the day, if you're deciding between Zendrop and AliExpress, the choice really comes down to automation versus manual labor. There's also the idea of long-term growth versus short-term savings. Zendrop gives you faster shipping, happier customers, and tools that help you scale without needing to manage everything by hand. AliExpress might save you a few dollars up front, but unfortunately, you'll be paying for that in the time that you lose, higher refund rates, and a poor customer experience. If you guys are interested in getting started with Zendrop, make sure to click that link down in the description. When you click that link, you'll be taken to a page that looks something like this. As you can see, they have a very special offer right now with a 7-day trial plus 50% off for your first 3 months of usage. All you have to do to get started with them is enter in your first name, your last name, and your email address. Then you'll enter in your payment details and you can get started with Zendrop. You'll basically plug it into your Shopify store as a Shopify application, and then you can basically start importing products almost instantly. Once again, to get started with Zendrop, make sure you use that link down in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a comment, hit that like button, and of course, subscribe for any of our future videos. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below what you think about either of these platforms. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.